This part is to check motors and sensors. We first go to manual control. We can see there is a G-code input text field at the top of this page. Enter M119 in G-code input text field to check the status of sensors for each axis. You can see the result down below in the log block. According to the explanation in the manual, in a normal condition, when X and Y limit switch are touched, both X min and Y min will show trigger. The LED will show green light as well. It shows open if the limit switch is not touched. Meanwhile, LED will not light. We can quickly check the current status of sensors based on the results showing in the log. Next, we can move the nozzle to see if it is corresponding to the results showing in the log. So, according to the result of M119, X and Y limit switch are both touched. It will show trigger. It will show trigger and you can see the green light. Therefore, you can see the corresponding result on the printer. In other words, it is same as M119 test. Let's try Z limit switch. It shows open according to the result of M119. Means that it is not touched and the LED will not light. We can use the blue nozzle provided to test if Z limit switch is touched. It will show red light as you can see on the Z sensor, and showing trigger in the log by typing M119 in G-code input text field. So this is the part of checking the sensor status. Next part will be motor checking. To check if motor is working functionally, we have to back to manual control. We can see the label of X, Y, and Z axis on the top of the software. Take X axis for example. It controls the left and right movement of the nozzle. Y axis controls the back and forth movement of the nozzle. Z axis controls the up and down movement of the printing plate. We can have the simple test for today. It will be positive value in right of X direction, and we'll try clicking plus 50. As we can see, the nozzle will move 50 millimeters in the right direction. Let's try Y motor. Click plus 50 in Y direction. And the nozzle is moving forward 50 millimeters as well. Therefore, we can ensure that both X and Y motors are working. Click Home X and Home Y button to set the nozzle back to X0 and Y0. We can use the same method to test each axis motor is working or not.